Although it seems strange, plugging your ears while sipping a glass of water through a straw is one possible way to cure hiccups. The Canadian Family Physician Journal shared anecdotal evidence that this natural remedy often works. Sit down comfortably, then bring your knees to your chest and keep them there for 2 minutes. Pulling your knees in compresses your chest and may help stop diaphragm spasms and cure hiccups. Hiccups is just one of a lot of strange body reactions. Learn the explanations for some more bizarre body phenomena. Holding your breath and counting to 10 is a popular way to stop hiccups. Is that a hiccup or a burp? If this is the latter, you are going to want to know if your burping habits are normal. Slowly pull on your tongue to stop the hiccups. Sticking out your tongue helps stimulate the nasopharynx, the uppermost part of your throat, and may stop the hiccups. This remedy is rooted in Ayurveda. If your hiccups do not stop after a certain period of time, take 1 teaspoon of honey and 1 teaspoon of castor oil, dip your finger in the mixture and lick your finger. Repeat this 2 to 3 times. This solution is known as the Antihiccup militant that helps you regain your normal composure. These spasms of your diaphragm muscle are not harmful, but until you find a hiccups cure, they can drive you nuts. So when you're desperate to know how to get rid of hiccups, try these tricks.